Guys, we're doing the random now for the teams. Random is live. It's 10:01, 15 p.m. Melbourne time. Participants, we're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what's going on here? Team list. We're going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, that's about 1. Ooh. Birch did. Look at that. Random complete. The teams are Jacob Birch agrees, Deegan Mavericks, Gibbs Blazers, Albie Rockets and Spurs, Tenkati Sixers, Deegan Magic, Jadoni Bulls, Talal Hawks, Carvoso Cavs, Jadoni Wizards, Zach the Nutterton Bulls, Michael Anderson Suns, Jeff Wiktorski Celtics, Ian Clippers, Deegan Hornets, Andrew Sanson on Knicks, Corey Lakers, Zach Nets, Jadoni Warriors, Jeff Pistons, Mr. Holland Heat, Jeff Wiktorski Pelicans, Corey Leslie Pacers, Thomas Oliver Bucks, Carvoso Matty Raptors, Michael Mizzy Jazz, Glenn Aaron Thunder, and Albie Chin Kings. That is the teams. That's the time.